All right. Hey all, Matt Stockton here. So yesterday I did a video on how I used O1 Pro model from OpenAI to build an application to do self-learning without doing any of the coding myself. I was just using prompting and using O1 to build the PRD. And then I said I might deploy that. So I spent a little bit of time today cleaning up the application and actually getting it deployed. So if you want to play around with it, you can. I just wanted to show you how to do that. So I deployed it to Streamlit's cloud, community cloud. It's pretty easy to do. So if you go to selflearning.streamlit.app, it will let you play around with it. And it looks a little bit funky on a browser because I tried to make it responsive so that people that play with it on mobile will have a better time. But anyways, what you do is you come in here and you can choose a topic, learning style, a target audience, and content length, and your existing knowledge level. You can type in something like, let's do machine learning, learning style, and analogies and metaphors. Let's do a teen. Let's do medium content length, basic knowledge level. I can choose how many items I want to generate. So this is going to basically create subtopics in this topic and then build some educational content for it. So let's go ahead and do that. And it's going to take a little bit of a time. It has some OpenAI prompts against GPT-4o mini running in the background. And it's just kind of looping over those things to build the content. So unsupervised learning is the first topic it chose for the, reinforcement learning. So it's basically it's sending a prompt to OpenAI's model and asking for subtopics. That's how it's generating these topics. And then what it's going to do is it's going to take the learning style, the target audience age, the content length, and the knowledge level, put that in a different prompt and ask for some content. So, all right, here it is. So reinforcement learning, and it's analogies and metaphors. So it tries to use that style to explain to you this concept. And it saves the generated items that you've already made here. And so if you want to come back up here and say something like snowboarding, storytelling, young adults, short, intermediate, you can go regenerate it. And it's going to generate more content for you. And it takes a couple seconds, but it's going to use these attributes and run a different set of prompts against GPT-4o mini to get you more content. And it's going to add it to your generated items. So it shows snowboarding techniques, snowboarding gear and equipment, and types of snowboarding. Let's go here. And this is storytelling, short. So it tries to build you a story about snowboarding gear and equipment. Anyways, this is really fun to build. I like this idea of the learning style, to be able to tune it to what you like to how you like to learn, right? That's really interesting to me. And it was really fun to try to use O1 Pro to build this all out. Again, I didn't do any coding here. I just kind of back and forth prompting to get this all working. So super cool. Just wanted to share my experience with it, and go check it out, selflearning.streamlit.app. You can go play around with it right now if you'd like. Let me know what you think.